Hello my child, don't skip this video. If you skip this video, then Jesus will be very upset with you. Then Jesus went out and departed from the temple, and his disciples came out to show him the buildings of the temple. And Jesus said to them, "Do you not see all the things? Assuredly I say to you, not one stone shall be left here upon another that shall not be thrown down." Now, as he sat on the mountain of Olives, the discipline came to him furtively, saying, "Tell us, when will these things be? And what will be the sign of your coming and of the end of the age?" And Jesus answered and said to them, "Take heed that one no deceive you, for many will come in my name, saying, I am the Christ, and will deceive many. And you will hear of wars and rumors of wars. See that you are not troubled, for all these things must come to pass, but the end is not yet. For nations will rise against nations, and the kingdoms against kingdoms, and there will be the famines, pestilence, and earthquakes in various places. All these things are being of sorts. Then they will deceive up you to destruction and kill you, and you will be hated by all nations for my name's sake, and they many will be offended, will betray one another, and will hate one another. Then many false prophets will rise up and deceive many, and because lawlessness will abound, the love of many will grow cold. But he who endures to the end shall be saved, and this gospel of the kingdom will be preached in all the world as a witness to all the nations, and then the end will become. Therefore, when you see the admonition of desolation spoken by the Daniel the prophet standing in the holy place, whoever reads, let him understand. Then let those who are in Judge feel to the mountains, let him who is on the housetop not go down to take anything out of his house, and let him who is in the field not go back to get his clothes, but whose to those who are pregnant, and to those who are nurturing babies in those days, and praying that your flight may not be in winter or on the Sabbath, for then there will be great tribulation such as has not been since the beginning of the world. You need this time, no, nor never shall be, and unless through days were certain no flesh would be saved, but for the elect's sake those days will be shortened. Then, if anyone says to you, "Look, here is the Christ," or "There," don't believe it, for false Christ and false prophets will rise and show great signs and wonders to desire, if possibly even the elects. Sin I have told you beforehand. Then as he went out of the temple, one his disciples said to him, "Teacher, see what manners of stones and what buildings are here. And level you are and your children within you to the ground, and they will not leave in you one stone upon another, because you did not know the time of visitation." Then, as some spoken of the temples, how it was adorned with beautiful stones and denotions, he said, "These things which you see, the days will come in which not one stone will be left upon another that shall not be thrown down. Tell us, when will these things be, and what will be the sign when all these things will be fulfilled?" And Jesus answering them began to say, "Take heed that no one desires you. But as the days of Noah were, so also will the coming of the Son of Man be. For as in the day before the flood, They will eat and drink, marrying and giving in marriage until the days of Noah entered the ark, and this not know until the flood came and took them all away. So also will be the coming of the Son man be.